Hello, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and learning your lessons properly. This is your English second class, and today I am starting a new chapter, chapter number 8, The Changing Tree. So, my dear students, open page number 92. This is page number 92. Before starting the lesson, here is an activity for you. Match the trees of their shadows. Some trees are given here and their shadows are also given. We have to match the trees to their shadows. So first shadow, now the second one, this third one, and last. So like this you have to match. Okay, now move to our story. Lesson number 8, The Changing Tree. Have you heard about the seasons? Spring, summer, winter and autumn? Have you seen these pictures? These are the picture of same tree but in different seasons. Sometimes they are full of green leaves. Sometimes they have red buds. Sometimes they fall off their leaves and sometimes they are bare. Okay? बिल्कुल bare means कोई इसमें leaves नहीं है. Like this. So these are the picture of same tree but in different season. Okay, so the princess who got confused because of this. This is the story of the princess, okay, who got confused because of this. So today I will tell you a story about 4 princes who got confused because of this. Okay, so let's start the story. Let us read a story about 4 princes who went to see a tree who did not seem to match its name. ये 4 प्रिंसेस की स्टोरी है जो एक ट्री देखना चाहते थे और वो गए वहाँ देखने के लिए, लेकिन वो ट्री का नेम और जैसा वो ट्री दिखता है उससे मैच नहीं कर रहा था. सो स्टोरी. Once upon a time, 4 young princes heard a story about a wonderful tree called the Red Bird Tree. ट्री का नेम क्या था? The Red Bird Tree. None of them had ever seen a red bird tree. उनमें से किसी ने भी वो रेड बर्ड ट्री नहीं देखा था. Each prince wished to be the first to see one. हर प्रिंस सबसे पहले उस ट्री को देखना चाहता था. So the eldest means सबसे बड़ा प्रिंस. Eldest prince asked the driver of the king's chariot to take him deep into the woods where this tree grew. It was winter, उस समय winter था, and the tree had no leaves nor buds. उस ट्री में उस टाइम पर लीव्स भी नहीं थी और कोई बर्ड्स भी नहीं था. It was black and bare. वो ब्लैक और बेयर था. बेयर मीन्स क्या? Not covered by leaves. The prince could not understand why this was called a red bird tree. वो कंफ्यूज हो गया कि इसे रेड बर्ड ट्री क्यों कहते हैं. Because when he saw the tree, he found there was no leaf in the tree. So the prince confused, not understand why its name is red bird tree. Okay. The prince could not understand why this was called a red bird tree, but he asked no question. उसने कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा. Here's the question. Why was the eldest prince confused when he saw the red bird tree? वो confused क्यों हो गया? Because there was no red bird on the tree. Okay, it was black and bare, so he confused. Now next page. Later in the spring, अब सीजन चेंज हो गया, स्प्रिंग हो गया. The next son went with the driver of the king's chariot to see the red bird tree. अब जो नेक्स्ट सन था, पहले तो एल्डेस्ट गया था, उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट सन था वो गया रेड बर्ड ट्री देखने के लिए। एट दिस टाइम इट वाज कवर्ड विद रेड बर्ड्स। अब स्प्रिंग के सीजन में द ट्री वाज कवर्ड विद रेड बर्ड्स। द रेन्स हैड बिगन। अब रेन स्टार्ट हो गया था। When the third prince went into the woods, जब थर्ड प्रिंस वुड्स में गया to see the tree, woods means जंगल गया ट्री देखने के लिए, he found the tree all covered with green leaves. He asked no questions about it, but he could see no reason for calling it the red bud tree. जब थर्ड प्रिंस गया देखने के लिए तो it was covered with green leaves. Okay, so but he didn't ask any question कि इसका नेम रेड बड ट्री क्यों है. Okay, some time after this the youngest prince asked to be taken to see the red bud tree. इसके कुछ टाइम बाद यंगेस्ट मीन्स सबसे छोटे प्रिंस ने कहा कि वो भी रेड बड ट्री देखना चाहता है. By this time it was covered with little brown bean pods. उस टाइम तक वो लिटिल ब्राउन बीन बर्ड से कवर हो चुका था. बीन बर्ड्स मीन्स लॉन्ग थिन केसेस filled with seeds that developed from the flowers of the bean plant. Okay, so at that time the tree was filled with bean pods. Okay, when he came back from the woods, he means youngest son, he ran into the garden where his brothers were playing. He announced, उसने अनाउंस किया, I have seen the red bud tree. मैंने red bud tree को देख लिया. I have seen. So have I, said the eldest prince. Eldest prince ने कहा, I have also seen, but it was black and bare. लेकिन वो कैसा था? Black और bare था. The tree has hundreds of beautiful red buds. ट्री में बहुत सारे ब्यूटीफुल रेड बर्ड्स थे. said the second prince. सेकंड प्रिंस ने कहा कि ट्री में बहुत सारे रेड बर्ड्स थे. that is why it is called the red bud tree. Okay, now next page. The third prince said, why do you say it has red birds? It is covered with green leaves. उसने कहा ये तुम क्यों कह रहे हैं कि उसमें रेड बर्ड्स थे, ये तो ग्रीन लीव से कवर्ड था. The prince who had seen the tree last laughed at the brothers. वो प्रिंस जिसने सबसे लास्ट में ट्री को देखा था सारे अपने भाइयों पर हंसा और कह रहा था, I have just seen that tree. मैंने बिल्कुल जस्ट अभी देखा है. And it was not black and bare. It does not have the red birds and it does not have green leaves. It is covered with little brown bean pods. उसमें उसने कहा मैंने अभी देखा है, वो ब्लैक और बेयर नहीं था, उसमें कोई रेड बर्ड भी नहीं थी और ग्रीन लीव्स भी कवर्ड नहीं था. वो ओनली वहाँ पे लिटिल ब्राउन बीन पॉट्स थे. Their father, the king, heard them and waited until they stopped talking. उनके फादर ये सब देख रहे थे, सुन रहे थे और जब तक वो चुप नहीं हो गए वो उनको सुनते रहे. Then he said, तभी उन्होंने कहा, my sons, you have all seen the same tree. आपने सभी ने एक सेम ट्री को ही देखा है. But each of you saw it at a different time of the year. आपने उन्हें different time of year means तरह तरह के सीजन डिफरेंट सीजन्स में देखा है. That's why you are confused. But you have seen the same tree. Okay? So this was the story of 4 princes who went to see a tree that did not seem to match its name. They have seen same tree but in different seasons. Okay? Now I am going to stop this video. Read the lesson again at your home. In next video I will provide you exercise and question answers. So have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.